Chuvang Ranalin Ning Shie, Nalim Masot Midalaye. A ring Zinwi program Saikori Hinui Pangli, Horsang Midalaye, Nana Chingri and a Hopok, the Chingri and a Chang Sang Milo, Jishu no Ming sing the Sokam Hikapone, Jishu Ming Li, Amen.
Introduction and presentation mukhigarang laga itumwi one and only amay shiming Raphei'S daigar li adam le na nalik share no stage li la ka perform ka samlo.
Hello. Tonight. Yes. Not with you, not with you, with us. Is it right? 미리니 기도 미리니 기네 이야워 미린히 미리키네 미린히 빠이네 이야워 미린히 기네 미린 시다네 yêu room đi hay rồi yêu what love baby rồi hello 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 chỉ cái hay ya yêu cái sốt nào không chỉ cái hay cái chân đâu biết chết nè anh cái chết nó xì đâu biết bao cái buồn Anduri mawi sakmai dinira idane Ibidulandi nanna ralaga Manduri mawi sakachide Ibidulandi nanna ralaga Manduri mawi sakachide Chira ili chun sakhaira chiga hai iniwi khara jandiji chiri ga hai niyan thang ga chat masina dawni pau ki pu dawni dawni chat Mira chithe na shumiyala mapha kumirin iwini ni lamang isho na shumiyala mapha kumirin iwini ni lamang isho chira ili Bang sakhaira Tiga hai iniwi Kharjan dinji Tiga hai niyan Iwi nisot nahu Tiga hai gachan Nawi chakna An gachat masina Nawi pangkipun Mandirim nawi chakna Inira jitane Okay, legi shijla, legi shi, lishina blungave, arigel bling majang. Misconduct 16 nightly. Ihili kalure. Kasi nga arule imkage jini. Kai shir pe sao da tiger sahu idali shinai da ila. Masapay na visag mi ko. Okay. hay muốn gì là cứ chỉ thấy cả hai muốn gì 통가 번지나 hay muốn gì 통가 번지나 chỉ thấy cả hai muốn gì là 통가 번지나 chỉ thấy cả hai muốn gì 통가 번지나 burning love Open my dream I chỉ có tay là nghĩ đến la 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 burning love Open my dream I chỉ có tay là nghĩ đến la 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 chỉ thấy cả hai muốn gì 통가 번지나 Thank you.
Hello, Raphei. Mering palik lay. Achu Raphei got talent. Li witness sagidar rakjip kaya delegate sai koroli. Arkel wishongai na ningshi kuchunga midalay. Arkel na kresada. Itumwi Chachas Pingli Chakmai Kachite Sangai de Laye Kresada Kirumla Vasti Shatchang Nana Abam Hili Yarili Chakmai Kachite Sada Kakamilo Kala Arkelna Lake Shisada Lake Shipangran Mingai de Laye Jiwi Pangranji Organizing Committee with convener Samirano. Kakiniali Chanchim M. Solo. Mutang aina kami se. Ciwi-cili Kwiru Soraya Kongrai Washi. Mutangli itumwi host sami gigi. Mukui kamkara. Kala awilan rongkui. Matangli Rinjipam Tsinkai, TKLT President. Matangli Chiran Shimra, NSUS President. Mr. Rinjibam Tsinkai, TKLT President. Matangli Chiran Shimra, NSUS President. Chiran Shimra, NSUS President, itumwi pemilih mapam tura. Kenawa sada, itumwi advisory board. Arkel we advisory board li advisory board kala former president. Kwiru Ringaha Rongkui Nanala Abam Nawi Abam Juena Yaru Lichak Mike says ada Kangingamilo Nishlagra. Nishnare.
Hello, Chick. Hello, Chick. Hello. Namanay ray, kasiglasig namanay ray. Chena yari katonga na aksida. Wow! Wow! Warm up sa kusay. Awi ju presentation ji Miss Kasaka layri chena hapam hiwaka laga kakuy milo.
Hello. NSUS President Chiran Shimra, itu abam lerang romikle. Naga Student Union Shillong.
Hello. Yari kata maling balik leh. Maring balik lay. Yang kava mi ka chung ka thaida da le achiwa ayawe liva triple sa laga akui ka chung ka thaida da le ring pha na ye yari ka chong ali welcome sa khui sa da apang pangla kai nei thum ka tong wi wang ka phe mi os cho ayawe na mi kya khara sang da le da rupai na oma khning ayawe na apang khang mi yang la wow ka chung khara sang da le ye na thum ka chi vli 75th platinum jubilee Raphei' KATAMNAO long le natum katong ali welcome sadale kala first edition special sala kaina first edition Raphei'S Got Talent 2024 le natum kachivu le welcome sadale achung ya va itum mapila yang thaigi jine chena achuwa interesting sala kaina contestant pingla kachung khalai dele contestant trada khni 22 contestant leidele Raphei' wi talented sala khai itum kachivu na witness sang rumra La Sakatela Ladele, Talent Den Sakatela Ladele, Kala Magic Show, La Kachunka Sangda Clay, Jane Itum, Matang Itum, Witness Sang Rumra, Ka, program he Mapung Pamaida Itum, the Singakvai. Ladies and gentlemen, let me have the privilege to welcome my co-host. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause. Iwi co-host, welcome Sakwisada Apang Panglakay na PMC Joe. Panglagay na apang aksida again! Iwi co-host na hivaka shok mirano. Miss Awilan Rongui, ahi fashion designer ne, interior designer, sorry, based in Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Awilan Rongui.
Well, what an introduction that was. Thank you so much. It's an honor. All right. Presenting to you my co-host. Awi opam himan nai ta I mupungrar to the patagijine. He is a CEO, SFBC under Manipur Organic Mission Agency, also known as MOMA. Everyone, I give you the amazing, the dynamic, Mr. Ngakui Kamguru.
Join Wang Lapang Panglagay na kapremila!
Once again, welcome everyone to the Raphei'S Got Talent. Laka itu issue online viewers being, I wish I could show you how it feels right here. Notum hili pasay na razang kay ko really appreciate sana ye notum na mga lira laka participants being lira kagdom sada kala notum may blessing ramida at zagrach take kay ko reju bang notum klato bang lakshida bang pekwis jo. Really, you guys are simply the best. Anyway, I see the young Daiji Taya. Maramji in Hungary fine cage cup. We shouldn't wrong winning his size job jine. But Atangzin Aram Long Bi Bashina Iram Belly Sata Kaina E Kapingai Night size Gdeo Sankai and Najical Langs on night the Haksangay Jubang Mang and the Akama when he size job jaliore.
Atang Nungu Bashina Pe Bashili football Satat Kai Nagano Tongoring Pire Co. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's all witness Raphei'S Got Talent 2024. But before that, let me give chance to one of the judges for briefing. Judge akan na mga wakalaga KATAMNAO kuimilo.
Hello? Hello, RKL. Raphei'Nao hiaka rak exhibite lagaring panaye ningyang naye leshinaye. First of all, it's an honor to be standing here. I hope everyone is as excited as I am tonight. Thank you to the RKL Planning Committee for giving the privilege to the judges for letting us take part in the program. Okay, first of all, before we start our RKL's Got Talent, I would like to remind all the participants to say your serial number as well as your name when you come up on the stage. Itum na mahaporanga itum judges being the criteria hi katumay na divide salgar yang ray. First of all, natumay creativity hi yang ray. And second, your presentation, which includes whatever you do on the stage, your personality, about your confidence, everything will be judged. And for the last and third criteria, it will be crowd's response. Natum na hili stage hili, whatever dance or lasa sala, crowd being we response ya natum na atumli entertain sang sak dele la gaji godong hi yang ray jena Godongkali, a very best of luck, and I hope everyone have a good time together. Thank you, RKL.
Hello, check. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, array tung katongana serial number at t-shirt talent le lakai kachungana perform saki the lady avavu ina yang darom say. Ina array serial number Jipamike, serial number 1 Mariam, serial number 2 Shirui, serial number 3 Lashirui, serial number 4 K Pungray, serial number 5 Halang, serial number 6 Newtosom, serial number 7 Chingai, serial number 8 Chingchui, serial number 9 Pungcham, serial number 10 Huishu, serial number 11 Namray, serial number 12 Mariam, serial number 13 Ibsen, serial number 14 Nungbi Kulan, serial number 15 Namray, serial number 16 Thot Mayo from Lunghur, serial number 17 Pe, serial number 18 Pungcham, 19 Kuire, 20 N Kulan, 21 CV, 22 Pui, the Ashik contestant Trada Kani Midale, wishing all the contestants a very best wishes. Contestant Bumivang Panglaka na itong katawang pang kapunin say. Raphei'S Got Talent hi kanit hangsaki da lay Achuna elimination round ne kala mandili chiwi finalist ping na participate sa lushidra. Chay na senior matang contestant ping na atam ka kui miruno.
Check. Oh, good evening, everyone. In the serial number 1, you are being the Rinyabam Chat Song Hui, Ram Win. Are you here? A Hunka Adam Gdeok Frali, he adjustment Sahi. Please bear with me. check, check. Mic short ले लो actually. Check, check. Guitar with mic cái đeo cái mình cái làm cái sàm này here. Okay, in sage je la here Tangkhul la này, lao em mình nè, ý đang về John. But between lim sorry go no we can him gina color me shop sipping zing rod cow root chẳng a sắc no we can ngờ vấp ngay mây no we ngân oh I just it đang we are just we đang quy cái thế đi ngang cầu yêu shopping lâu hòn đầm show nó li rum cơ vai nó li sức cơ vai oh I just it đang we oh I just girls in Kulila ching ring a section no we make take tung made a bang a suck no we rush it go her can go in the park with a limit chick upon the in my long tree says a quick I know we come and not go away no luck what you walk toward we get out day oh I should it down we are sure we think we got dating uncle you're shopping low on bum show no lirum kavai no lirus kavai oh I choose it don't we oh I choose guys in Kulila ching ring a suction no we make take Pega rugga pega kadi shama man that we pitch on you mama ngan I cake cooking a cow to ring the masabai oh ning you shana queen am the mayurga dating us so that I could oh ning you shana queen am the mayurga dating I me I could hey hey it down we are show oh I show it down we are show we think we got dating uncle you're shopping low on bum show no lirum kavai no lirus kavai oh I Gazing Kulila ching ring a suction the way make take thank you
Everyone, that was Rinya Bum from Maram. Rinya Bum ariji iwa yung gada mujuk kaine mthanaye. Up next we have Ramsam Wungsek from Shiri. Hello. Ari jing ran hun le ka announcement nak sau ke announcement nak le ye kaja ajui participants pin hi judges pin li indirect masa khimra finalists pin mang na judges pin le indirect sara kala judges pin na jili critics minaura nish lagar.
Hello Raphei. Bring party clay. Kasi ngorok sir de le khata sala la idum li gdomi ngai lagi na razang de clay na tum sai gor li kala ina kyashi plungi gja judges being kala ojang rabin kala avava kala le she yuing sot now being na tum sai gor li kala na tumi mangali khangzana igatali hidada perform khangning sam ko phangwi wang remigap da kasak wali jung khaning she arena sangi jila hi ikla da shok hai yu mirin wi kharjan wi la ina gambos ka sane kala la hui daidal na mong shung ga bai le shat Oh, Twili Mig Jungana Mirinus Kapali Ringapina Shagza Queen Rock Laga Gala Sokmi Sambang Laga Ungshung Mig Jungale Kagajigata Igata Mung Shungabai Jinaung Rang Zagai Gala Shimkurna Hub Kahai Wang in the Mung Shung Baimda Leishing Rock Salala Tada Shiman Gai Jungale, Juvangina in a Juvina Gabilane, Mungshung by Lishan. Hello, Jay. Mirin Leishan Pigar, Aluli Kiwi Wang here, Kanan is a Yen jigan bang shep Malaysia kashung lele ngabang mi hao gi gajin lei gashina Shima mi hao du ogatina Mong shung ge bai li shan hi Sifu de curly me good junker, Jing ring a sam kriege. Me a ken a ning a jang, he oga twili, aman sig lager. Ina gaga how ning a jang. Hai phung de ge di sao gi ge ji you winning the jury hai shubrla ina ge ge hao ning ge jang un hi hor hai phung de ge di sao gi 个 you winning relation I want your good kalay cause I go running down in a ning jang jie na mang li ne o good twin tay me lu you we gan kanang hi agashi the mang ra won can room we good I want your good kalay cause I go running down in a ning jang jie na mang li ne o good twin the day me lu o you ga kanang hi agashi the mang in ra won can room we John in you will lay shadly kiss at here Gulashia Gupunga Pating Aruha one being the love Katina in an early legacy Come on, goodbye In the wing and jaili Hide me hide a kalay Ogan tui Migumo we anuli Curring sao gide guitar Come on, goodbye In the wing and jaili Hide me hide a kalay Ogan tui Migumo we anuli Curring sao gide guitar Oh hang milu Ari hang milu Oh hang milu yeah Nele hang milu Legashivu Thank you.
Man, that was incredible. Thank you so much, Ramsem Mungsek. Hishiri now ne Hishiri Bashila compose Sathi naye songwriter Drakale Jim Shumnat leye Kala Nana Laje Kipa Uwang Sashok Mikle Jitengai leye. Ara Gagutuma Sada, let us welcome Solem from Shiri.
Hi. My My name is Solem Langan and my serial number is 3, representing Shiri KATAMNAO. When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden be, then I am still and wait here in a silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountain. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountain. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be. Thank you.
That was Solem from Shiri. Thank you so much. Ning muyungla ka nasa mikai juwang ning shlagay re. Ara comedy asa day tumna Semi John from Gay Pungreli. Welcome sa Krista.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sammy John, representing from Gapungre Unit, and my serial number is 4. Right now, I'm gonna present a dance.
Now put your hands up, up in the up in the up in the up in the up 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 in the cup. Just pop up, I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip him, and now you wanna trip. Cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me. Don't pay him any attention. Crying my tears, get 3 good years. You can't be mad at me. Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see that he want it. Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Oh, 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 oh,
Hello. I love watching your dynamics as you go across the floor. Your energy is so infectious, it makes everyone else want to go full out too. Raphei'Nao ping KATAMNAO! Itum katongana contestant ping the perform sakai tam tharanli pangka kaphe himam lai mi say. Coming up next, we have Rima from Holland. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Miss Rima.
In the serial number 5, you are Minarina. Inari Sagi dance.
blooded out, cold, cold, blooded, blooded, cold, 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 blooded out, cold, 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 blooded, blooded out, cold, blooded out, cold, cold, blooded, blooded, cold, 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 blooded out, cold, 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 blooded, blooded.
I'm so cold-blooded, I'm so naughty. 우린 전문가, 넌 돌팔이. You's a nobody with nobody. 난 무대 위에서 간 nobody. 겁나 매운맛으로 잘 나가는 맛집 차렸네. My kimchi so delicious, need a Michelin. That good, good in your mouth, boy. 그냥 툭툭 붙이지 마, boy. Touch your toes, then drop it low. 뒤 돌아보고 튕겨요. 흔들어, 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 spray. 손들어, 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 bang.
Blooded out, cold, cold, blooded, blooded, cold, 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 blooded out, cold, 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 blooded, blooded out, cold, blooded out, cold, cold, blooded, blooded, cold, 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 blooded out, cold, 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 blooded,
Nah, 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 look into my brown eyes. Yeah, yeah. 그래 거울 속에 나나. That's me. 내가 이렇군 저렇군 해봤자 ain't no hasta mañana. 이건 간식, 이건 상식. 랩 때려 박아버려 나의 방식. Come and beat it up like a mosh pit. 땀이 흘러내린다 like CrossFit. 비가 차네, 나 비가 차네. 땀이 내 ice in my vein. 기가 세네, 나 기가 세네. 땅이 조세 like I'm rain. Shake, eat, cook it, let it, cook it, let it. You know what the name is, yes. 아무 말이나 해줘. 다 말이 돼, cause I'm famous.
blooded out, cold, cold, blooded, blooded, cold, 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 blooded out, cold, 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 blooded, blooded,
Yeah, yeah.
blooded out, cold, cold, blooded, blooded, cold, 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 blooded out, cold, 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 blooded, blooded.
Get low, then pick up, get your hands in the air, it's a stick up, shake your tambourines, move it quicker, yeah, I'm shaking down the town, get the picture, how I'm moving on the floor, gotta love that, how she keep it going on, gotta love that, to the beat like a pro, know you love that, she can shake it to the flow, gotta love that, get your ass on the dance floor, move them out the way if they ain't doing it how you want yours, you ain't got the ass, keep giving more, don't need my permission, y'all heard, what you waiting for? No one nice me, no one nobody see. Make we eye it, carry me in at the tree. In a me, if you broke it in a. Take your time when you push it in a me. No one nice me, no one nobody see. Make we eye it, carry me in at the tree. In a me, if you broke it in a me. Skin it tall like you put it in the air. Me no want in the air, but that ear. Push it in the air. Sit down one day, cocky like me, sit down one chair. Skin it tall like you put it in the air. Me no want in the air, but that ear. Push it in the air. Sit down one day, cocky like me, sit down one chair. Pussy fat and it off under me. If it hot when it grip the cocky. In a me, if you broke it in a me. In a me, in a me.
Viking Zilla.
Stay up to the time.
Vibes Cartel. Ladies.
Static. Hey girl, bend your back. Bubble panda. Kick, bend your tack. Everything shot. Hey girl, bend your back. Bubble panda. Kick, bend your tack. Everything shot.
Hey girl, just whine and bend over. Giving to the beat of the soca. Do it all on tabletop on the sofa. Girls from Trinidad, girl from Europa. Girl from Jamaica, girl from Toga. Bend so low so me can see your shoulder. Bumper spin like the wheel of a roller. Come your beauty, I'm the beholder. Love when you bend and you whine and watch over.
Rough ride. Right in the bicycle, broke off. 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 Right in the bicycle, broke off.
Wow, Rina, that was amazing. Kayang mangay na lakshan, siya na kay na iba. Singkum siya ka damlamong damre, so ngay na isirapay na siya dagzangji. Now, we have, I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name, Setuwe from New Dazom. Abangag Pena, welcome sa Quizcho.
Zoom na present sana Hello, 1, 2, 3. Taka busy, ni wijara hina ini ship sang sakashi. Nali pani da aza ina la sang aina hanjibon. Aza na wizi mi shon nela ini pani Aza aina tangga nali ina mga shon. Mashali clay never iwi kuvakon. Kasira gabiwi aina nali timu tukay. Nali shikipava never mali samane. Ini mati lag male. Nali kusira kufu. Mimi shape ina nawi kuyon kotonga. Nana sifu da kale jila ina tezere. Nana nawi migli jara longa ta ina teya. Nana kupti ligase akasa ina shaya. Nawi jara jila ala menga sahawe. Ini mat lag mane, awa never ini malishi tu kajila, never galileli inanga chinchorala, imangai ne ili kata to opsi halu kajikala, ini kuyon kili hawe dan nazo chikai kala, awa never ini malishi tu kajila, never galileli inanga chinchorala, imangai ne ili kata to opsi halu kajikala, ini kuyon kili hawe dan nazo chikai kala, tangkhul emotionally nourishment, nana tanaga irawi kon makan, ishilake panilaga, atam chitaran imiri nanisaye, avi nana talak aina no to hawe yang. Nana ili larik to musake yang nana nana ili shawi yang ina khangari guibang nana ili tamji se ya jam kapa nana ili sa ga sama mlai lo da hanga yang na wi miri hila mak jon maning mane yang iwi kapa to khana khale nana yang mi se yang never iwi ava na ni wi mo sa ka bai mi khanga dai malai mana azu wi aina never mali ili mali shi ti chila never gali leli ina ga chinchona la imangai na ili kata zo ok how lo kuchi kala iwi kuyan kili hawe da na ti kai kala aba never gali leli ina ga chinchona la imangai na ili kata zo ok how lo kuchi kala iwi kuyan kili hawe da na ti kai kala thank you
Yo, nana kamaduji matana ye next bali lurch nada perform sami lichit lo yo. That was Miss Chetiwi from New Tassom. Your rapping was incredible. Yari katonga na akshida, wow! Coming up next, we have Mr. Kangamso from Chingai. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Kangamso Chingai.
Hello, Arkeer! Hello, Raphei! The song is Satay. Hello. Music. Music repeat. Hello, check. Hello. Music start. Sorry.
Mr. Khangam so ning yang nai laji malungtung nai khiklei phamdam nei khan malungtung na sa khuye matha nai. He is from Jingai. Now let us welcome Sonali from Jingjui.
We sing It's a Hardest by Pony Fan. Microphone. Hello, chick.
It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. It hits you when it's too late. It hits you when you're done. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in the cold rain, feeling like a clown. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Love until your arms break, then he lets you down. It ain't right with love to share when you find he doesn't care for you. It ain't right to need someone as much as I depended on you. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. It hits you when it's too late. It hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in a cold rain, feeling like a clown. It ain't right with love to share when you find he doesn't care for you. It ain't right to need someone as much as I depended on you. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. It hits you when it's too late. It hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in a cold rain, feeling like a clown.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Sonali. I wish she could sing me to sleep every night. Ladies and gentlemen, upcoming next we have Mr. Ning Tem Shang from Pungcham. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Mr. Ning Tem Shang. Hello. Hello. Yari Bingwing Palikle! Contestant Makuda Kani Leda Kale Hili. Contestant Tarana finalist Wazangra. Kipama may Wazang Maro! Awi perform sa kay Bingji Kipam may Mandeli perform sa Luchit Maro! Kikuni! Apologize sa dalay issue with technical problem kadiyaw ka lay kay wibang yari na katsing rada kang misalo. Hello. Yari Bing Masikayagle! Rupay Tiger Limuga Sigle! Rupay Tiger! Perform sama manda Rupay Tiger nila Hoka Lishidra, Rupay Tiger nila ready ina pamisalo. Awi itum the first edition Raphei'S Got Talent 2024 hi itum the witness sang room dak lene Raphei Cum kachung khawe na participate sa the talent salakai individuals kachung kai itum the witness sang room shitale jena aru participants pingwang panglakay na wow wow warm up sa say wow pangfudale yaron na chung may may ding la na bing wow wow yaron na bing wow wow shimli ka pinaw bing lima bing saksaya chiwa lang taigi jine lamang na ngai bing kala tense mo yang ngai bing jiba sai katha nei ito mi kamo sa thui da individuals kachunga talent lela kai itum kachunga witness sa dale itum kutawa hi mi kamo dala technical issue kala yaw gida delay ka sa gai nei ya really apologize sa dale on behalf of the technical team. Tangkhul li kapam bingji wow!
Oh, English. Sir number 9, you are in terms of simic. Or in the last here, loud title, no? You guitar now. So the song goes like this.
Có sống truy bây giờ nan ini kangamia oka jiwi ninga chile nana nana time is how so bang no so kama ana uno shi shim chốt
좋게 밝히켜만 내면 이는 이름이 우리 기타라 울어대 어차 내게는 하우포 그를 잔다 너의 티슬 매우 선물 수하루 아주 나는 담을 뒤에 슬픈 옷을 아까워 내가 울어 내 시심을 좋게 밝히켜만 내면 네가 울어 이 시심이 새빨갛게들 다 울어 범루하기 싫어 너의 곁에 귀나요 선물 수하루 아주 나라 담을 뒤에 슬픈 옷을 아껴봐 내 울로 내 시심을 좋게 밝히켜만 내입에 네가 울어 이 이름이 따라 웅쿵 울어대 Thank you.
Boy, oh boy, that was so good. At this point, I'm straight up fangirling. Chắc na plungai ning shnai re ishiru phai talented kasa mitra ka shogra dak le hi thai la ka ning lum na ye ning hak na ye ari la chung mai khad rat le chi hanga ye that was Ning Them Sang from Punjab. Now we have Warjurin from Huishu.
KATAMNAO long when you represent Sanai in a serial number 10.
El ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza y empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como lo tiene. Hago música que entretiene, mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así. Coño.
Vamos
wint de boel goed op. Laat me draaien in die joint en geef me 10 push-ups. Je zet de boel op slot. Je bent zo fanatiek, tik, 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 tik. Fanatiek, tik, tik, tik.
Gooi je face omlaag, gooi je billen omhoog. Schat je laat je gaan. Schud je heupen los, je zit daar met chillen.
Papi, doe het voor me, doe het laag. Het is niet moeilijk voor je, doe het traag. Traag, 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 traag. Oh nee. Voel het voor me, voel het aan. Proeven zal je zoete laag. Laag, 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 laag. Oh nee.
Doe ik het goed? Papi, 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 papi. Doe ik het goed? Papi, 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 papi.
Hello, chick. Hello, chick. That was Miss Werchurin from Huishu. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause again for Miss Werchurin. I love watching your dynamics as you go across the floor. Thank you so much. Upcoming next, we have contestant number 11, Sochuya from Namre Village. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Miss Sochuya.
Hello everyone. My name is Sochuya. My serial number 11.
역으로도 뭐가 됐어 I do 서러워도 어쩌겠어 I do 모두들 미워하느라 애써 매일 날 무너뜨리면 답이 돼 난 외로워서 어떻게 미움마저 삼켰어 화낼 힘도 없어 여유도 없고 뭐 그리 아니고 가까운 게 그냥 가 왜들 그래 서럽게 Maria, 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 Maria 빛나는 밤이라 날 괴롭히지 마 Hey Maria, Maria, Maria 뭐하러 아둥바둥해 이미 아름다운데 Hey, yeah, oh yeah Maria, Maria, yeah, oh Mario. No frame, no fake. 지끈지끈거려. 하늘은 하늘색. 사는 게 더 뻔해. 내가 갈 길은 내가 바꾸지. 먹이는 기회로 다 바꾸지. 굳이는 거리 보고 싶다면. 외로워서 어떻게 미움마저 삼켰어. 화낼 힘도 없어 이유도 없고. 마음을 더럽히지 마. 들어가기엔 아직 이래. Maria, Maria, Maria 빛나는 밤이라 날 괴롭히지 마 Maria, Maria, Maria 뭐하러 아둥바둥해 이미 아름다운데 Yeah, oh yeah Maria, Maria, yeah 널 괴롭히지만 Maria, 널 위한 Maria 뭐하러 아둥바둥해 이미 아름다운데 널 위한 Maria Mario.
5, 6, 7, 8, and cut!
Wow, that was so powerful. So chú ya năm rồi ninh snai rồi Blackpink với Lisa Long, Mamamoo với Hoa Sa Long chỉ ba cầm ninh nên là liền ngay kha. Up next we have Mr. Yungam from Mariam.
Hello.
DS Gray.
I'm the shit tiger in the game, not a name. Splitting films, burning up the film is not a game. I'm on top, yeah. I'm the crop, yeah. I'm dropping bombs, making moves like a king. I never flop. I'm still hard, guarding every day. I'm a lyrical genius, tearing pigs apart. I'm the one that fear can compare in my league, yeah. Hey.
DS Gray.
I'm a savage, ever rage, always on the attack. Stack the cage, make it rain, no need to hold it back. Yeah, I'm a trendsetter, always flying in. I'm the one to follow up a little head. Yeah, I'm the shit, living lavish, diamond shining tonight. Yeah, I'm a living flash, shining every day. I'm a legend, watch me rise to the top. Tiger shit, started with the stop. Hey, that's what I mean. It's living shit. I'm the shit tiger in the game, ain't not a name. I'm the spinning fine bar, it's not a game. I'm on top, I'm the cream of the crop. I'm dropping bombs, making moves like a king, I never float. I'm still hard, grinning every day. I'm a lyrical genius, tearing bitch apart. I'm the one that fair, got the play in my league, yeah. I'm the king of the jungle, running the throne.
DS Gray.
I'm a savage, ever rage, always on the attack. I take the cage, make it rain, no need to hold it back. I'm a trendsetter, steady flying in. Yeah, I'm the wild follow, I'm the little in the head. I'm the shit, living lavish, diamond shining bright. I'm living life in the fast line every day. I'm a legend, watch me rise to the top. Tiger shit, unstoppable, got me straight. Thank you, everyone.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Mr. Yungam from Marem. You really sounds like Eminem. Eminem Lee Matame Carter perform Sadale. Ya recycle na pang lagay na Mr. Yungam wivang pang kapemi sa ito. Now coming up next, contestant number 13, Miss Temrewan from Nungbi Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Miss Temrewan from Nungbi Kulen.
Good evening. 域名的天美文 clear 心然后也因的努比库连文的 represent 三呢。
No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shot, we go longer than a ladder. Them nothing talk but the real dundada. Put body in a pot, them a bun like grabber. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here is they need armor. 16 shot, we go shot her in the bladder. You gotta be better than a King Stony. This my mother, then your skin start bleed. So don't bother mess with my mommy, with my mommy, with my mommy. If I take your bad, say you're better than she. If the gaga bark, long time them don't eat. Rap on pop off, make you move like freak. They say them a gangster, but so is mommy. They gon' put hands on the chick. They gon' put hands on the. Eyes watching when I coming through the door. What I'ma do, they ain't prepared for. No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shot, we go longer than a ladder. Them nothing talk but the real dundada. Put body in a pot, them a bun like grabber. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here ain't safe, everybody need armor. 16 shot, we go shot her in the bladder. This my mother, you know. You coulda be mother than Brian Kobe. This my mother, then your lip won't speak. So don't bother mess with my mommy, with my mommy, with my mommy. You really take your bad, say your mother on me. If things are gonna start at night, you won't sleep. Pop and cut off, make you look like creep. Them say them a bad girl, but girl them no be. They gon' put hands on the chick. They gon' put hands on the. Eyes watching when I'm coming through the door. What I'ma do, they ain't prepared for. No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shot, we go longer than a ladder. Them nothing talk but the real dundada. Put body in a pot, them a bun like grabber. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here ain't safe, everybody need armor. 16 shot, we go shot her in the bladder. Shot. If them think them a man get 2 shot. If them feel them a done get 3 shot. If them take me for idiot get 4 shot. This a copper shot, no that get 5 shot. For anybody who think them mud street. Egg top you must drop. If you hear a ta 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 ta. Bullets gon' hit you wherever you are. No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shot, we go longer than a ladder. Them nothing talk but the real dundada. Body in a pot, them a bun like grabber. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here ain't safe, everybody need armor. 16 shot, we go shot her in the blood. No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shot, we go longer than a ladder. Them nothing talk but the real dundada. Put body in a pot, them a bun like grabber. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here ain't safe, everybody need armor. 16 shot, we go shot her in the blood.
Wow, everyone, you are incredible. Judges Pingli Uknang Minaye, dancers, ya sakte, la ya sakte Pingui. Ngajai Likta the Kapang Queenie Lane to Ningjot Minaye. Now we have Tamaris from Nungbi Kulen.
Iwiming na Damaris Kumrahoye, iwi serial number na 14, laga ari na lasagi gijihina Better Man by Taylor Swift. a man who didn't know what he had when he had it. And I see the permanent damage you did to me. Never again, I just wish I could forget when it was magic. I wish it wasn't pouring, standing in the mirror saying to myself, you know you had to do it. I know the bravest thing I ever did was run. Sometimes in the middle of the night I can feel okay. I just miss you and I just wish you were a better man. And I know we had to say goodbye like the back of my head. And I just miss you and I just wish you were a better man. A better man. I know I'm probably better off all alone than needing a man who could change his mind and give it meaning. And it was always on your terms, waiting on every careless word, hoping it might turn sweet again, like it was in the beginning. But your jealousy, oh, I can hear it now, talking down to me, like I'll always be around, pushing my love away, like it was some kind of loaded gun. No, you never thought I'd run. Sometimes in the middle of the night I can feel okay. I just miss you and I just wish you were a better man. And I know we had to say goodbye like the back of my head. And I just miss you and I just wish you were a better man. A better man. Better man. I hold on to this breath because these days it's all I have. And I gave to you my best, and we both know you can't say that. You can't say that. I wish you were a better man. I wonder what we would have become if you were a better man. We might still be in love if you were a better man. You would have been the one if you were a better man. And I know we had to say goodbye like the back of my head. And I just miss you and I just wish you were a better man. A better man. Better man. We might still be in love if you were a better man. You would have been the one if you were a better man. Thank you. And girls, I hope your guy can be a lot better than this song. Good evening. Good night, everyone.
Damaris, that was so beautiful, so beautiful. I am a very proud Swiftie, and I think I just fell for you. I really nung bi kulen na lumo pe nau ga jindaiwa. Now we have Shurjan from Namre.
Check, check. I'm representing from Namre village. I'm Surjan Tablu Shumre and my serial number is 15.
Yo, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Yeah. What's wrong with the world, mama? People live like they ain't got no mama. I think the whole world addicted to trauma. Only attracted to brings more trauma. Overseas, yeah, we're trying to stop terrorism, but we still got racism. Hell living in the India, the big CPI, the blood and the grip and the KKK. But if you have love for your own race, take your own space to discriminate. And discriminate only generate hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get outraged. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate. And exactly how ego wants to operate. Man, you gotta have love to set it straight. The control of your mind, meditate, but it's so gravitate to the love, y'all. Everybody sing with me.
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. And you practice what you preach, and what you turn the other cheek. Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
Where is the love, the love, the love?
Just ain't the same, always the strange. New days are strange, the world is insane. If you love me, is so strong, then why the pieces don't belong? This is dropping bonds, communicate feeling ones with the living ones, without going suffering as you die young. So ask yourself, is loving really gone? So ask myself, really what is going on with this world that we're living in? People keep on killing it, making wrong decisions on the visions of the division, not respect each other, deny the brothers. The war is going on, but the reasons uncovered. The truth is kept secret, it's swept under the rug. If you never know the truth, then you never know love. What's the love, y'all? Come on. What's the truth, y'all? Come on. What's the love, y'all?
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. And you practice what you preach, and what you turn the other cheek. Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
Where is the love, the love, the love?
Yeah. Feel the weight of the world of my soldier. As I'm getting older, you are getting colder. Most of us only care about money making. Selfishness cause I'm following the wrong directions. Wrong information always sown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria. Infected the young mind faster than bacteria. Kids wanna act like what they see in the cinema. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness of equality? Instead of spreading love, spreading animosity. Lack of understanding leading us away from unity. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling down. It's no wonder why sometimes I'm feeling under. I gotta keep my faith alive till the love's found. Now ask yourself, where is the love?
Where is the love? Where is the love? Send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning, where is the love?
Thank you.
Woo! How are you guys doing? Enjoy Saturday lah. Mama talk Larry with performance here. That was Shurjan from Namre. Matsa lagay na perform sa mi kay Jiwang. Yari na panglagay na. Wow! Yang lushit fura. Coming up next, we have Tot Mayo from Lungher. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Tot Mayo from Lungher. Yaribing abang panglagay na kapiyasa! Sigpo kay Ray!
you mean taught me your way, no her way, in a serial number 16, like arena side line, instrumental piece, original.
in awe. That was wonderful. That was beautiful. Kasik thai bui re kasik wangai nam ning lam tha nai da ning yaung nai jak nai. That was Thought Muyo, everyone. Now we have Okjir Kure from Bear.
Hello? Hello, check.
Good evening, everyone. Serial number 17 here. My name is Okjir Curry, representing KATAMNAO, and I am singing Never Enough by Lauren Allred. I'm trying to hold my breath. Let each day this way. Can't let this moment end. You set out a dream in me, giving aloud and now. Can you hear it echoing? Say my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars will steal from the night sky. Will never be enough, never be enough. And towers of gold are still to live. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never, never, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky. Will never be enough, never be enough. And towers of gold are still to live. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never, never enough, never for me, for me, for me. Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. That is just a wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Miss Okchir from Bay. Panglagay na pangakshi kapya Miss Joe. Okchir, you are such an amazing singer. I barely take my ears off your song. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next we have Van Mila from Pungcham. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Van Mila from Pungcham. Yari ping ping ayaw may day! Ping ayaw may day! Maring balik lay! Pang may day itum, contestant ping wivang cheer sami say. We have just few more contestants to go.
Check. Hello, Raphei. My name is Vanilla Pire, and my lucky number is 18. Proudly representing from Pungcham village. The title of my song is Love in Arms by Dixie Jigs. You can see me now. The one who said that she'd rather run. The one who said she'd rather be alone. If you could only see me now, if I could hold you now, just for a moment, if I could really make you mine, just for a while, turn back the hands of time. If I could only hold you now, I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, begging any comfort that I could. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my dream, and lying in your loving arms again. You could hear me now, singing somewhere through the lonely night, dreaming of the arms that held me tight. You could only hear me now, loving too long in the wind, too long in the rain, begging any comfort that I could. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my dream, and lying in your loving arms again. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, begging any comfort that I could. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my dream, and lying in your loving arms again. I could almost feel your loving arms again. Thank you.
Miss Vanilla, I have been too long in the rain. I just want to lay down in your arms. Ya we ping KATAMNAO. Vanilla with fans aji na hopok laga I number 1 Sairko. Yan mila with fans kiba mai sang dale. Kiba mai sang dale. Oh, ishiva chinau mangla. Matsala kayo na perform sa mi kay Jiwang. Pangla kayo na pang kape mi lusit sa ikaw! Woo! Sa tama man tayo itom we, contestant ping kupra man dala yay, yari ping na interesting sala kayo na itom witness sang rong lusit say. Coming up next, we have contestant number 19, Mr. Temre Singh from Kuire, the Horse Village. Kuire Bashi! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Mr. Temre Singh.
Check, check. Merbalik le, Argel Bashi. Enjoy Mzali. E contestant number 19 ne, ili Temre Singh Singai hoye. Representing from Korea KATAMNAO long. Ina sagi ji beatbox ne. Check. I have 4 different songs. 1, 2, 3, 4. All together. Let's go. Okay, slow motion. Speed. Quick. Can you roll like this? Like. Nice, ne?
Hello. Embracing, that was simply genius. Thank you so much. Now we have Thotting Sorrow from Jingjoy CV.
The title of my song is called Another Love by Tangkhul.
So cold and I don't know where. I brought you daffodils on a pretty string, but they won't flower like they did last spring. And I wanna kiss you, make you feel alright. I'm just so tired to share my nights. I wanna cry and I wanna love, but all my tears have been used up on another love. All my tears have been used up on another love. All my tears have been used up on another love. All my tears have been used up. I wanna fight, but my hand's been broken one too many times. So I'll use my voice, I'll be so damn rude. Words they always win, but hoping you stop on another love, another love. All my tears have been used Thank you.
I think that was amazing. I think you just took us to paradise for a good few couple of minutes. Now we have Miami from Boy.
Hello, hello, check. Good evening to all respected judges, to our beloved parents, and my dear brothers and sisters. My name is Mirmi Shaiza, and I represent on behalf of PKL. My student number is 22, and tonight I will be performing beatbox. So, let's start with a basic flow, okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Switch over. Yeah, now let's go with another track. Okay? Are you guys ready? Come on, guys, louder. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. I still have another. Do you guys want to listen? Do you guys want to hear it? Okay, come on. Now, I'll give you the bass drop. Are you guys ready? Really? Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you the bass drop. Now, this one will be the last one. So, before that, let me drink some water. Okay. Now, let me hit the music. Everybody make some noise! I think it's late. We better stop here. Thank. You.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you a bad noise.
She co-host na awi hiva jingkum shaka tamsala la I akhalam sathem reda hangdele. It's a very unique kind kickboxing. Itum katawa na support sa amin say, ladies and gentlemen, apang panglakay na Mr. Miami Wivang, panglakay na kapiyami say from Pui. Coming up next, we have contestant number 23, Mr. Worting Talino from Lorikaju. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! Make some noise for Worting Talino! The stage is yours. Okay, ngarai mamanda yari ping. Kata mapingay po kayo klay. Ngatano sila. Rupay Tiger! Rupay Tiger lang ngarai lak na ya. Atang itom na. Technical problem katiyaw ka like hay wibang contestant kani hili atam bilushit kay. Kare sada kangamso from Chingay ka kaniali Sonali from Chingjui. Kangamso from Chingay. Atam ka kui bilushit lo atang sound problem like hay wibang Judge Ping mayang rer to the kakania perform sami kavai jam lushit delay. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Mr. Kangamso from Chingay. Make some noise. Hello. Oh, check. Hello.
Mơ thaya đừng ngơ tràn sai Nơ vi mơ ly vì ngơ hai Nơ ly đăng hawa tâm trí Khẩn sẽ là xa thầy vì À chữ nơ khi ngơ xa hai đơ Mơ xa quy lùi cơ bài à tâm trí là nuôi nào bình lý nơi quý mất thang sức xem mơ ca cơ sung ngơ là nào nơi quý ngơ sốt nào khi bà nhau na hao là nơi quý vang mình yên được chung mirin à chữ nơi khi hoàn hai đấy mất xa quy lùi cả bài nơi sống ra khơi lùi tốt bình lý nơi giấc mất xuống ngày sức xem là nuôi nào vô quy đơn suy quy đơn than khul đơn cơ ly than bao đơn sẽ bay lơ cô lơ chân lơ đường là nuôi nào bình lý lơ chân
Thank you. Hello, check. Hello, check. Pang lakay na isi Chingay yo show ibang pang premise show. That was Mr. Kangamso. Ara itom na last contestant sa Mr. Miss Sonali from Chingjui. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Miss Sonali. Sonali with fans big. Hi kupay laga Rupay Tiger na ready sa mesa lo.
Microphone tiêu chiều là direct tiêu của nhân tam national.
It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. It hits you hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in a cold rain, feeling like a clown. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. It hits you when it's too late. It hits you when you're down. With love to share, when you find he doesn't care for you. It ain't wise to need someone as much as I depended on you. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. It hits you when it's too late. It hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in a cold rain, feeling like a clown. Nothing but a heartache. It hits you when it's too late. It hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in a cold rain, feeling like a clown.
It's a heartache. That was Miss Sonali. Panglagay na pangkapimyaw sa jutan la. Yari ping shu mi lau ili. Arwi Sonali na lasa kai ji na translate sa mi gi ji na yang. Hello, hello check. Lay shat kazat na. Mahan lilu. Yaron no ping kachung ka lay shat kazat kazalaga arkial hirata dak lay ni. Jay na kachi kita na ketsu Jay kava. Yamat shopai lim ko. Ara itum. January next after yearsly arkial song panglugi ji ni. Jay na yaron no ping don't miss the chance. Ara itum. Last contestant number 23, Mr. Worting the Linau from Lori Gachu. Malay tula. Mr. Worting the Linau. Malay tu ka judges pingli atam midalay. Lakshi sa sila. Just ping ka marks lang sa manda. Raphei Tiger! Kalilay liglay, Raphei Tiger! Raphei! 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 As ahi umbi gai ka kata ajikla. Kapay kapay wa sayang lo. Tanay, amalay liga la ka sa lakaos nay. Lay shat katsat na. Mga halilu ngalawi ba siwi yari ping chot lagay na kang laga contestant ping ito magkita kani hi witness sang romay re chena contestant ping ka tong wi wang pang pang la kai na aksi kpias cho and say wow kalaya ri kchi na patient lai la kai na the first edition of Raphei'S Got Talent 2024 hi tum kotong witness sangrom kai wang itum wi wang la aksi da wow arai tum contestant bing tharahi mandeli sangpang lushitra achomna achu rasa khai hili ngakai khang ngaina mathala kai na rasa mi lushit ki jine judges ping na kupai kha achili atam mi delay ichumui alungbi talented salakai emerging singer akata delay kivamro Mr. Riami itum Raphei'S Got Talent the first edition he witnessed rasang room da alaring pala kai re da Raphei ka tong li phong sok tale ko Riami fans winkly lai likle ai akhon ma shalang ni meeting ka lang ka jip laga akhon chia ka namang shabai la Riami fans ngala mau ping at mier nau mo sangai ngala mau ping mier nau ping ngurumda. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Mr. Riami on the stage. Abang kagpiye ay nang soda ali welcome sa kuy say. Wow, energy ko ba ila? Raphei na ping mata ko. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Riami.
Check. Wing balik le, Raphei. Shep shila ka na mo say. CCR fans ang le shi sang. Jena the bit that special by sakte zanga sang was. Check. Up in the morning, you hear the work bell ring, and they march you to the table, see the same old thing. Ain't no food upon the table. There's no pork up in the pan, but you better not complain, boy. You get in trouble with a man. Let the midnight fashion shine a light on me. Let the midnight passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight passion shine a heaven loving light on me. You're the coming Rosie out of the world that you know. By the way she wears an apron and the clothes she wore, umbrella on her shoulder, piece of paper in her hand. She comes to see the governor. She wants to free her man. Let the midnight fashion shine a light on me. Let the midnight passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight passion shine a heaven loving light on me. If you ever in Houston, Well, you better to the right. You better not gamble. There you better not fight at all. Or the sheriff will grab ya, and his boys will bring you down. And the next thing you know, boy, oh, you're prison bound. Let the midnight's passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight's passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight's passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight's passion shine a heavy loving light on me. Let the midnight's passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight's passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight's passion shine a light on me. Let the midnight's passion shine a heavy loving light on me.
Thank you. What I'll say.
Thank you so much, Riyami. You are so gifted. Ali jak the sangjang khat kene aji life and that take hi ning yaung na ye. Na katha ishi Tangkhul li chung mai khar da shok khwai. Thuk la ga na se sa tak le ne. Arui ji fans ping na ning yang mung thatu e ji wa teo na ye da akshita mang sami lu fulo the request side da kakhne sagi da ngrand le ye juwang ning shi drak phongshok le ria mili kala jing rai manda itum na la judges ping li remind sa lu shit le ye hiwi thili sa bai kha result ji declare sami lo. Lat lui dai thum na ria mili welcome sa ku sei pangla kai na pang phe khui laga.
Kishwe ke nia la sai da za samning no ya thoi khala ke kha da shi lim lau thei hi thei laga mi phanat le ari ji in a CCR hang jin mi have you ever seen the rain da sani ga da excited sanai sai ji chena ning bu thim da ra kazimo sal have you ever seen the rain ji sang mos
Told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know It's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, will there rain a sunny day? I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know you can't stop. I wonder. Someone say, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah, and I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Coming down on a sunny day. So, ở mong phong mày là có anh thằng chỉ mong phong mau sẽ thằng này cái lưỡi trên cái hở cái thái lên chỉ để. So, good night.
Yaribing masang sak pusi. Masang sak pusi le. Ay, response wa chung lagay na lay fugo. Mapingay rang la. Wo. Cho, thay ka Riamili ka changkat ningshi ka changkat ay ko kuji Raphei'S ko to na pongshok sada pangbang lagay na kape miao sa cho. Ara atam hi Judge Pingli midalay. Itum we program hi kupsang mamandalay Jaina. Right after the result declaration, itum we closing prayer hi si hai kuno elder nasamira Jaina si hai kuno we elder rakana. Hivak karamilo.
Result hi ngangai sere lila thai ngai sere re da phingai itum judges pingna itum we ga them kashop tong kashok laga judge sa hai ne result hi mang mirang laga aji participate sa hai Raphei'S got talent li kacha we ga them talent le da khle display ra sa mi khai participants tong li ning shi hai ro kho na tum we talent hi aji select selection lim jang la next round ni qualify musarers halela never give up na tum we talent ji hone sa khui laga dhamai da practice halaga talent ji utilize sa vai sa lo ji hangai aji next round ni qualify musa thu we the that's not the end of your career, so don't get disappointed. Next year la lay sa papam re next edition lay sa re chili la nathum try sa lui bai serial number right na serial number mangin hangsok myoge itum names and unit ji itum hin note down sa khui thuwe so al thada random order random mai na pasok myoge 10 ishi judges pingna 10 contestant to go forward to the next round. Serial numbers being G, serial number 8, serial number 10, serial number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Kacha participate sa having the kacha was serial number G, paniung the lere the shitsang. So our next round, Monday final round we wang contestant being Jin the law. Talang in prepare some low color, judges being shown and request so gay. Kashabain dang the lag sa being no. For example, beatboxing could happen. Being jiva, automated the beatboxing sababamre. Dancers being, singers being, ultimately request a Kashabain dang the Ajisa high kido Lala dance la music ji Kashabain dang Jamie Fais Haluk ji request le. So to all the selected candidates, congratulations and all the best for the next round. Thank you.
Hello, check. Kibama may sangai reglay. Abang kang yang lah. Wow. Ata ang wena I entrance hall hili razang kale wena la sa laga hili pam saye. Hibashi hina kibashi unit lido hi abang kang yang lah katonga hili jangdak le hi. Nasi kibashi unit ta. Katai Jingjirai CV bashi la. Jingjirai CV bashi wang bang la kai na bang phe myong sui chong. Jili zeng dak le Jingjirai CV na bang khang ga yang la. The true spirit, hi na true spirit ne. Atang la ashi pangchol sa la kai na ra zang ngai kala achila. Program ku kupain dang da ra ka zang wi wang. Jingjirai CV wi wang bang la kai na bang phe myong sui chong. Kala hi wi convener na. 10 plus sang miao ro no ji hi I wi shong ngai na request ka sa nei marks at sa miao lo arai tum na program hi nga changsang uda si hai kuno elder akali atam midle closing prayer wi wang
saya sase Argyar pasok kamya itumlik sa kawawa fra naminglik chungkaning shidam sot middle ye kikrejla wa fra ajukum 2024 chingkum Argyar we 75 years Prataniam kaksunga nidre hi kamyon adam kura kamichiwang nalik chungkaning shidam sot middle ye hiay nang soda amar fra chontang darik 9 ay nakopok laka achira sung jawda nana tanra kami jiwe alungli da jam daramay na umsung wa sung khangsak hiwang nali ning sidam sot midaliye hianang soda wa fra azimik sola ngotor pungay na hopok laka arira sungda nana tanra mi hairi nana tanra kami jiwe alungli kemen sporter kayang sampangda when lak hai ning yak ung adam ji sampang kairi aring chin pung adam itra nililla Amar fra Argyal God the land so he Amar fra sila number 1 ay nakapok ka 23 ay nadangda Amar fra bong nganteng ay na singa kangsak hiwang la migwi kangayam yang kui kangsak ningli ringpa kangsak adam sampang sakahai Atung bing sai ko wi dung lila no wi makwado so kamijit da sung milu da sung mina ma frat at wagi da clay jim so bing habda bing กจังปิงจิงกงวิปิงไซโครเวลงลีนวิมขวาโซขมิจิตาสุงวิดาเลยาขมายริงพาขมายมาทานขมายจวลงลีอกทว่าสับขวายนั้นโซมิโลหิตาดานวิเตขมเตยหักมหาจสันคิลกานลิออตรังขังเจนลิเซบักซาไซโครเวลงลีลุงสังไม่ไหวเก่งตรไม่ไหวเก่งโปรดชิคริสโตมิงสิงเดเซกซานีจิมังมันอิงมันเออาริงยาปงอาตมิทรานอาวาฟรอฮอสามิกไฮกลาจุดจุดสามิกไฮปิงไซโครวิตุงลิลานวิมขวาโซขมิจิตาสุงวิดาอาวาราเทตังขมายจิลังรมสังมิโรอาวารานิ่งมาทิ้งริกไฮหอจามริกไฮภาษาคำท่าไปปังขังแวงจิลตาสุงวิดาเลยาขมายริมพาขมายมาทานขมายจวลงลีอกทว่าสับควายนั้นโซมิโลตจิวังเสกสานีจิมังมันอิงมันเออาวาฟราอริงยาปงอาตมิทรานลีรายังสังกายปิงไซโครหินลมาพงพังสักไฮเรอีทุมไซโครวิลตุงลิลานวิงไรกษาโซขมิจิตาสุงมิโลดัสุงวิดาอาวาฟรานวิเตคมเตหักมหาจิสันควิลกาอกทว่าตะเคลไซโครวิลุงลีนลิงกับไม่ได้นรีริงพาไม่ได้มาทานไม่ได้อกที่ว่าสับขวายนั้นโซมิลักโลฮิตาจัดนวีนาวครุไม่สามารถโปรจิคริสต์วีพิลันจิจูไม่ได้ขังกวายเกดจิวังเซ็กซานีฮิตาดักษาไอนาว่าฟราอาร์เกอร์มาริงขมายอาร์เกอร์สังสักมิลูดจิวังเซ็กซานีนิกซิชีไอเรอวาฟราอาระงียาปุงอดัมสิงกาขังอีไซโครจิลกุบสังไฮดาอบามิหิวยายนะอิทุมกทานเฮาเกจิงรีไอนะชิโฮมิโลชิโฮมิไอสาลละนวิงกจนขมีอาริคนาไอนะดังเดเลมิจิงโลเดอิทุมไซโครลีกดังขมีอไม่บรอจิวมิงสิงเดเซกซานีอาเมน